How to program your mind for success. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to program your mind for success in 4 easy steps. Whether you're aware of it or not, you can make your mind work for you rather than having to fight it every step of the way. Success isn't something that can be easily achieved. It takes a lot of work and determination. You can increase your chances of success by programming your mind using these key strategies. 1. Create an I am list. One of the quickest ways to fail at reaching your goals is telling yourself everything that you're not. If you believe that you aren't smart enough or good enough, then it becomes your reality. To reverse this unhealthy behavior, you can create an I am list, outlining everything you have to help you succeed. Anytime you begin to feel self-doubt, pull out this list to remind yourself of all your great qualities. 2. Speak and think positively. If you continue to tell yourself that you won't be able to reach your goals, your mind will make that your reality. You have to tell your mind that not only is achieving your goals possible, but it is a strong probability that you will succeed. If you've told yourself that there is no other option than successfully reaching your goals, then that's what you'll get. 3. Count your blessings. You can set your mind up to accept more good things by having gratitude for all of the good things in your life. Being grateful for the good things in your life sends positive energy out into the world, making it possible for more positive energy to return to you. Approaching your life with an attitude of gratitude will program your mind to continuously point out all that you have to be thankful for in your life. 4. Meditate for clarity. Meditation is a simple activity that will promote the idea of success in your mind. Not only does meditation help you deal with the stress and anxiety that is preventing you from reaching your goals, but it can also help you find clarity, to help you see things objectively. Spend several minutes every day sitting quietly while focusing on your breathing. Let everything else slide from your mind. Clearing the fog of all the negative and self-defeating thoughts will allow you to create more room for the positive thoughts and beliefs that will promote your success. Your mind is a mighty tool that can make all your dreams a reality. Using these 4 techniques will help you to reprogram the way you think, paving the way for you to reach your goals and find success.